Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Salt Morningstar Easy Guide. Start by checking merchant spawn locations and world event rewards, then farm the area on a rotation every 20 to 30 minutes. Prioritize quests and bounties that list melee or rare weapon drops, and dismantle duplicates for parts. Use trading channels and community markets when available to trade resources for the weapon, and always keep inventory space for immediate pickup. Start with high drop rate zones like coastal ruins and bandit camps where rare weapons spawn more often. Clear nearby elites and open every chest on the map to trigger possible drops, then reset the area by fast traveling or waiting 15 to 25 minutes before returning. Bring a luck-boosting consumable and a partner to split loot rolls, and always mark good spawn points on your map for efficient repeat runs. In a quick break, please subscribe and like if you are finding the video helpful. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum voice control, perfect for players who want hands-free cleanup after long sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals to save time and money. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Use trading hubs and player markets to find listings for Salt Morningstar, and be ready to offer common crafting parts or currency. Check daily and weekly event rewards that list weapon drops, and complete milestone challenges that award rare gear. If trading is restricted, join active communities or guilds that run weapon farms and offer to contribute mats or group roles to speed progression and build trust with reliable traders.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.